Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students, how are you? Hope you all are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Alhamdulillah, till now I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 8. And before starting our class, I would like to thank to those students who are watching our all classes through the YouTube channel. And according to the classes, they are performing their HW and also submitting the HW to us. My dear students, today our topic is discussion of lesson 13 and it's from chapter 4. Page number I didn't write there, page number 110. Page number 110. And this is the annual term, lecture number 7, and there is HW, that's also HW number 7. My dear students, today we will discuss one new lesson, that is theft. And you know, in our society, in our country, a lot of many kinds of theft are available. Because we are, you know about our society, the poverty or the needs or the wants, that's why they are doing this, they are involving these works. But there are some prohibition from the Almighty Allah. There are some steps from the Islamic religion, Islamic Sharia, how we can prevent this and what is the bad effects for theft. Let's start our topic. At first, see students, the Arabic term of theft is as-sarakatu. You can see this word in your book, page number 110, as-sarakatu. I written in English pronunciation. The word theft means to steal. To practice of stealing means the occupation of the thief or work of the thief. It means theft it's a word, noun, and the works is called theft. The definition is when someone takes away others' property secretly without the owner's knowledge is called theft. My dear students, if you take any of the property or any of the wealth from others' knowledge without taking the permission, students, I am advising to you, sometimes you are taking some low valuable things from your friend's bag or anywhere, but not intentionally. You have no intention for stealing. But if you take that without knowledge of the owner and without permission, then that will be counted as the theft. Now, bad effects of theft. I written there 5 important effects of theft. What can be in the society or in the next life or in the worldly life? See, first one is insecurity. For theft, wealth and life becomes insecurity. Sometimes the thief even murders the owners with the fear of being caught. My dear students, the first one is very important because you can see in your through the TV, or sometimes you are seeing in front of you physically. For security, for protecting ourselves, some peoples are giving their life, and there is no security. Sometimes they are killing to the others. Those are the thieves, for snatching the others' property. So this is very important. For this purpose, for stealing others' property, the thieves are killing to the others, the owners. Number 2, destruction of social peace. People cannot sleep peacefully because of theft. They are to keep awakened for the safety of their property. You can see nowadays, for this situation, many of the house owner, they settle in the house basement some closed circuit camera. You see that. So why they settle that? Because of only for preserving their wealth, their property, for making the safe from the theft, from the stealing. Now number 3, increasing social crime. In the society, new crimes are committed because of theft. For example, snatch, kidnap, murder and disgrace of women. Increasing social crime. When the theft activities will be go up, then that will be not close only these works. Then the kidnap or snatching or dishonor to the woman, it will be day by day increase. Because when they will take the others' property, then they will think we will snatch more valuable things from others. So it will be more harmful in the society. Number 4, hateful deed. Theft is one of the detestable crimes in the society. People consider a thief hateful in the society and feel ashamed being relative. My dear students, those relatives, some people are there in our society, their relatives are thief, but they cannot say loudly, they cannot say openly my relative or my brother or sister are thief, because they are ashamed. Those are relatives, the thief relatives, they are ashamed, because it's hateful things, it's bad things in the society. That's why they are not peacefully move around. Number 5, punishment in the hereafter. Theft is an abominable means disgrace, hateful and forbidden deed. It cannot make a person a true mu'min. Almighty Allah has promised to punish him severely in the afterlife. Students, this is very important because because every mu'min has the tension about the next life. So those are thieves, they have to remember, they have to think about the next life. If they perform these things, if they involve these things, they will not be counted as a true mu'min. Now we will discuss about the role of Islam in preventing theft, how we can prevent, how we can obstacle these activities, from these activities. Number 1, fulfillment of basic needs. It is needed to take steps of fulfill the basic needs of people so that a person is not compelled to steal for basic needs. My dear students, when the human being will not get the basic needs means they are eating, shelter, or which is the basic needs? Shelter, eating, or roaming everywhere, getting money, proper money. So when they will not get these basic things, they will, at that time they will think for snatching from others. So at first we have to take the step, we have to initiate how we can arrange some way for involving that type of peoples in there. Number 2, exemplary punishment. In every country and society there is code of punishment for the person who steals by natural impulse. My dear students, regarding this, Almighty Allah says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم والسارق والسارقة فاقطعوا أيديهما جزاء بما كسبا نكالا من الله. Again I am telling, والسارق والسارقة فاقطعوا أيديهما جزاء بما كسبا نكالا من الله. And this ayat you will get from Surah Ma'idah, ayat number 38. So my dear student, what they are said, clearly it's running, continue in the Saudi Arabia. And that is when the people will theft, when the people will steal, then it can be male or female, it can be man or woman. The Islamic Sharia, the Quran is ordering cut off their hands, not both hands, one hand from the wrist. But there is some condition. When you will be more upper classes, then you will inform about this. Not only for example, they steal the 100 price valuable things, but there is no permission for cutting their hands. There is some condition, more than 2,400 money. If they stole, then there are more conditions, then there will be cut off their hands. That can be man or woman. Number 3, moral awareness. Social awareness can move our hearts to avoid theft. We can create morality boycotting the thieves from the society. Awareness can create through the imam in mosque, through the TV program, through the banner, festoon, etc. Last one is moral awareness. Everywhere we have to give some advice. What is the punishment in the next life? What is the punishment in the worldly life? Or what is the bad effects of theft? If we awaken in the society, if we discuss, if we make the banner festoons, or if we discuss with each other through the imam or through the TV program, then the society people will be more aware and their heart will be moral, and then inshallah day by day it will be removed from our society. My dear students, according to this discussion, there is HW number 7. Keep attention in the HW number 7 in annual term, bad effects and prevention from theft. Chapter 4, lesson 13. It means here bad effects, 5 bad effects. You will do this HW, and role of Islam in preventing theft. These 3. So total bad effects and role of Islam in preventing theft. This 5 and 3, 8 points you will do as HW. This is your HW, and this is the lecture number 7. My dear students, that's all for today. I hope you understood, and keep practicing. Again, I am telling to you the importance about the HW. We want more HW from the class 8. Again, I am telling to you, we are not getting enough HW from the class 8. So submit your HW and get for each HW 2.5 marks. To abide by your parents, stay safe. See you soon inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.